Hi everyone, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the accountant guy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can utilize this investment portfolio tracker to track all your investments that you have in hand. So basically, you will have this section where it says about the portfolio, and you have like a quick action button over here, and then there is investment portfolio on the right. If you scroll down, you will see all the transactions related to the investments which we will be discussing in a while. So first of all, when you start in this tracker, you will have this investment section which is kind of divided into stocks, cryptos, and you can add your own categories over here. So as an example, I've added 2 stocks over here and 1 crypto over here. So for every added investment, you will have to add in the opening balance of the investment and the opening units of the investment that you have in hand. So this is something that you'll have at the start of the financial year. So you can add the details over here. So after this is added over here, you can switch to the portfolio section. In the portfolio section, what you will see is the same set of investments classified under the stocks, cryptos, and whatever groups that you will add from your end. Now it reflects the investment value at the end of the financial year or after all the transactions are carried out, and it also shows the units that are available after all the transactions are carried out. Okay. Then we have an indication of the investment percentage, which reflects how much of this specific investment is in proportion to the total investment that you have in hand. So after this, you have a profit loss section which shows the total profit and loss for each of the investments after all the transactions are carried out. So for every investment that you make, you will find a profit loss figure at the right side which indicates the profit or loss as you carry on the transactions. Okay. On top over here, you have the total summation of profit or loss for each of the sections. So this is how you will utilize this investments portfolio part. Now there is a quick action button over here which says add investment. So as I click on this, it quickly adds an investment over here on the right side if you see. Now if you click on this pencil icon, you will get a new panel where you can add the investment details. So you can quickly type in anything. So let's say I'm typing in over here maybe X investment. Okay, so I'm just giving a name randomly. Then you can put in the opening balance. So you can click over here and type in any opening balance. So let's say I'm putting $100. You can specify in opening units over here as well. Okay, so as soon as you do this, you can see it is put under no classification. So if you want to put it under stocks or crypto, you can simply click on this 3 dot and move it anywhere, and it will automatically be placed underneath that particular category. So if I put it over here, now it is classified under crypto. Okay. One thing to note over here is if you want to add your new own category, you can click on this plus icon. It will ask you to create a new group. So you can maybe type in over here as bonds. Once you do this, it will automatically add a new section over here altogether for you. Okay, so I'm going to delete this, and if you want to edit the already added items, you can click on that and you can simply type in the thing that you want to change it to, and then you can click on done. It will be modified into the new name. Okay, so meanwhile I'm deleting this as well. So this is a quick action button to quickly add an investment for you. Now if you scroll down, you will see the transaction section. So over here you have all the transactions that you have carried out so far. So we have like 4 views over here. First is the all, which signifies all kind of transactions that you carry on through your investment. So it is a sell and a buy transaction listed out together. So for every transaction, you will have to feed in the date, the description, the type of transaction that you are carrying out. Then you need to feed in the account of the investment that you're going to carry on. So we have like Apple, Microsoft, or Bitcoin over here. So you can simply click on this and you can automatically select any investment that you have in hand. So it will it will quickly catch on to that. Then you have the number of units. So it's, let's say you're selling 30 units, you're buying 50 units. You can feed in the details over here. Then you have the price. So you need not worry about this. We will be seeing how it is calculated in the buy and sell section. And then you have the amount. So amount is basically the units multiplied by the price. So this is a complete overview of all the transactions. However, I have also classified this under buy and sell. So let's say you're buying a new investment. You click on this buy and it opens up the buy view for you. So it also has the same structure, so you can fill in all the information that we just discussed. You can click on this and fill in your buy price. So it will automatically calculate the buy amount for you. Okay, this is formula driven, and the same is carried out for the sales part as well. Okay. Now when you go to the profit and loss section, here is where you can see the profit or loss that you have created with every transaction. So let's say we have sold the Apple stock for 30 units at a $40 each price. So it is $1,200 for the sales value. Now if you go to the profit loss section, you also see the same data, but over here you have an additional information of buy price. So as you put in the buy amount over here, it will reflect the profit or loss generated from this transaction. So we have like sold 30 units which was sold for $40 and we had bought it for $10. So the difference in between both is $30 multiplied by 30 units. So it is generated a profit of $900. Okay. Now all this is also quickly done through this quick action button. So if you click on this buy investment, it will automatically add one page under the buy view. So if you click on buy, it will automatically creates a new line item over here. It picks the current date when you are clicking on this button, so you can click on this and change to any of the date whatever you want, and you can keep adding the details over here. Okay, so similarly, if you want to sell an investment, you can click on this sell investment. It will create a line item under the sell view over here, so you can also feed in the information over here to make any necessary changes. So this is how you can utilize this investment portfolio tracker and track your investments with ease. I've also added the same set of instructions over here underneath at the bottom. You can refer to the same video that I was just seeing right now if you want to. So overall, this is how you can utilize this investment portfolio tracker and track all your investments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. Thank you.